Yo, my name is Kevin McConnell, and you may know me on Roblox 1.6. I got like BC yesterday, or 3 days ago. Wow, that's great. I was bit by a wolf just today. Remember my freaking cool, dude. Anyways, on Roblox, want to buy my new shirts. There's gonna be a whole bunch, but please buy it. But like a minute ago, freaking all extra broken. Actually, luckily I keep a spare knife for me. You see that guy, that bucko over there? Hunt him down ATM. You know, like, 16. Anyways, so yeah, you want to help cannibals, you come to Rob, man. Anyways, I love Rod's hell. Now, come on, see me on Roblox, Roman 6. Get by. Oh, did you want to check out my nice room? Oh, night vision. Holy shit. I'll see a picture of one of the best ones that I got. And there's some of my cars. I took pictures of them and edited them. But those were real cars. And yeah. And really, that's it. But